Hello everyone, welcome back to One to Step. In today's tutorial, I'll be helping you learn how to fix Facebook featured photos not showing on your profile. Keep watching the video till the end to learn how and subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button, and don't forget to press the bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. If your Facebook featured photos are not showing on your profile, then you can fix it with some simple steps. The first thing you'll need to make sure is that you have a strong network connection and your internet is working just fine. Once you confirm that, go and tap on Play Store. In the search box, type in Facebook. Check if your app is up to date. If your app needs updating, then try updating your app first and then go open your Facebook. Once you update your app, it can improve the stability of your software and remove any outdated features. If you are still having the same issue, then you can go and tap on the settings button from your phone and go and tap open apps. From the list, choose Facebook. Once you do that, from the app info page, tap on storage. Try clearing the cache at the bottom right and clear your data at the bottom left. Tap on OK to remove all the files, settings, accounts, and databases, etc. Now go and tap open your Facebook application. Since you've cleared all the data that your app has, you'll need to sign into your account again. Sign into your account by tapping on your profile. If necessary, enter your credentials, and this action might solve your issue. These were some of the fixes for your Facebook featured photo not showing problem. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was in any way, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Feel free to comment down in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll be back soon with more tutorial episodes. Goodbye till then.